Moomoo and Webull are two popular trading apps that offer a range of features and tools for investors to manage their portfolios. In this guide, we will compare the two apps to help you decide which one is best for your needs. First, let us look at the fees associated with each app. Moomoo offers commission-free trading for stocks, options, and ETFs, while Webull also offers commission-free trading for these assets. However, Webull charges a small fee for trading cryptocurrencies. Next, let us consider the investment products offered by each app. Both Moomoo and Webull offer a wide range of investment products, including stocks, options, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. However, Moomoo also offers trading in futures and forex, while Webull does not. In terms of trading tools and features, both apps offer real-time market data and analysis tools. However, Moomoo offers more advanced trading tools, including Level 2 quotes and trading simulators. Webull, on the other hand, offers a more user-friendly interface and a wider range of technical indicators. When it comes to account minimums, Moomoo has no minimum balance requirement, while Webull requires a minimum balance of $100 to start trading. Both apps also offer mobile apps for trading on the go. In terms of customer support, Moomoo offers 24/7 customer support via phone, email, and live chat. Webull also offers customer support via phone, email, and live chat, but the hours of operation are more limited. Finally, let us consider the security of each app. Both Moomoo and Webull are members of the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, which means that your investments are protected up to $500,000. Both apps also offer two-factor authentication and encryption to protect your account information. In conclusion, Moomoo and Webull are both solid choices for investors looking for a trading app. Moomoo offers more advanced trading tools and a wider range of investment products, while Webull offers a more user-friendly interface and lower fees for cryptocurrency trading. Ultimately, the choice between the two apps will depend on your individual needs and preferences.